Hi, Carly's in Yakima this weekend.
Why you so stupid?
Okay, today we're gonna wake up Spencer.
Wait, what?
We're gonna wake up Spencer. He's sleeping in the iCarly studio right now.
Okay.
Let's go do it. Hey, Spencer!
Why are you sleeping in the iCarly apartment? I mean, not apartment, studio.
My sheets, they were really... Sam, what time is it? It's like 4 a.m. in the morning, right?
Yeah.
My sheets, we were filthy.
Then why don't you just do them?
I'm lazy. Carly needs to do them. Carly's in Yakima. I know. She ain't in. She was granddad.
So then you should do it.
No, Carly, do it.
She's not even here.
Hey, Spencer, look at this. Sam, you do that.
No.
Okay. Ah!
What's wrong?
My teeth all fell out. Ah! You're being really weird, Spencer. That does it for this iCarly video, I guess.
Yep.
Let's go. We better get back before our mom gets mad. My mom gets mad. Bye, Sam.
Elevator.
Okay, let's take it.